like so. I'm going to cut it all the way to the roof. There you go. And keep doing that until you have none left to do. Like so. Boom. Got your onion. Or just use your hands just like that. But, you know, good choice. I prefer to use my hands, but right now, I find everything counts in this. Down the middle, like that. So you're put this on here. Oops, cuts. They want to keep the cuts consistent, or else the vegetables won't cook evenly. So now we're going to be moving on to the chicken. Okay, so first for the chicken, you want to cut around this joint right here. You can either do the legs or the ring, but I like to do the wing first. So basically like that. Cut around there. Because you want, so we want to pull this part because you don't want to cut off the skin of the breast. So you want to slowly go around the breast. Go into the back. Like so. Then you do that to the other side. Like so. And then you turn the chicken over and you pop the breast. Like so. Boom. Push it off. Now put that back in the middle. And now we cut that so it's like here. Now just bring out the two we have right there. And there you go. You got your first thigh and drum piece. So now where this joint is right here, you want to do it right there. Do it right there. There you go. Now you have drumstick and a thigh. Now there's the other one. Like so. Let me see right here. It's right there. Okay, do it on again. Do that. There you go. And you got another drumstick and thigh. This is a very small thigh. But anyways, boom. You have two thighs. And you got two drumsticks. So now for the airline breast, you want to go straight down the middle of the breast until you hit the cartilage. Like so. You hit the rib cage. There's no rib cage. Oh, okay, no, just rub along the rib cage. So, anyway, keep doing that. So, like that. Go around the back and boom. So that. This is the joint. We'll cut off and keep the other one. Like so. There you go. Airline breast. Second airline breast. So now we got this whole carcass and the insides of the chicken, which is going to be good for the start. So let's put this in the pot. You don't want to put the liver in the pot because the liver will make the stock a little starchy. And yep. So now this is clean. Keep all of this and you put it back in the pot. Next, we're going to be making our stock. So now we just put the chickens, all the extra chicken that we did. So we put the leg meat in here. So the drumsticks and the thighs. The gizzard. This would be good too. And the neck bone. Okay, so now we're on the stock part. So now we want to add the water to the meat we have. We just from the fabricated chicken. So all of that. Let it boil with some herbs. The herbs are going to add extra flavor to the stock. Alright, next, now we want to skim the excess fat out of the chicken out of your marrow pots, which we cut in the beginning of the video. Now we're going to season the chicken. We want even coats on each side. Okay, so now we're going to put our chicken. Okay, so and now because we got these chickens on, like so. we want to. Wait, so now we want to flip the chicken. So we'll do it around. Keep it around. There we go. Now we let that go like that. So make sure your chicken don't fall off, and make sure it's not really clean. So once it cooked evenly on both sides, you want to remove it and all the chicken. Now on top of the chicken, we're using the root. Onions and garlic. Take the root. Now we'll just saute it a little bit. Sauteing, not really sauce. I was going to make it brown a little bit down the plate. I'll use the chicken. This. Now we just put that in there. And we mix. This is the farmer's onion. Use some chicken. Also, now we'll have chicken. So this we use this and not that. So that. Now you got your roast done. Now you grab your chicken and grab a little spoon and you just a little gravy on. And then we garnish with fresh parsley, minced parsley. And there you have it. Airline chicken breast with ribs.